Amanda, you are my best friend, my lover, and my favorite human being. From the first time we met in Japan, our relationship has been an exciting adventure. I promise to do everything in my power to ensure this adventure is never ending.
Marriage means many things. It is a commitment to each other to accept the other person in his or her entirety as a companion, a lover, and as a friend. Today, you will proclaim your love for each other, and the words spoken here will be the cornerstone for your future life together. I want you to remember how you feel right now. How does the snow feel under your boots? Most importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest? I want you to hold on to this feeling, put it in your pocket, and save it for the rainy days when you both really need it.
Kevin, you are my best friend, my confidant, and the love of my life. I love your compassion, your humor, patience, positivity, and most importantly, your cooking. From the moment we met, your kindness and intelligence captured my heart.
The motivation, drive, and ambition you have is inspiring, and I love seeing you conquer every challenge you are presented with. I love your unbridled passion for animals, and I am excited and concerned to see how much our family grows in the coming years.
Think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What will be different 10 years from now? Can you imagine your relationship 30 years from now?
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
Ready for the best part?
Yes!
As you, Amanda, and you, Kevin, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence, now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss. Congratulations!